Welcome to Pueblo de Oro Townscapes, Malbar. Kung naghahanap ka ng property, accessible going to Manila, dito sa Pueblo de Oro Townscapes, Malbar, part ng project ang 5 hectares commercial area. Meron din po tayong school sa loob, then yan, yung nakikita po ninyo yan po ang commercial area, yung space na green na yan. Then, yung nasa unahan po natin at nasa side is LISP4 or Light Industry and Science Park 4. Yan po yung nadadaanan natin sa baba, yung green spaces na yan po ang commercial area. Yan, ito naman pong view ay view po yan sa SLEX or South Luzon Expressway. So yan po yung Malbar exit southbound. Then tayo po ay 600 meter lang going to commercial area. The Townscapes is a part of 286 hectares subdivision in Malbar, Batangas. The work, live and play residential development is complemented by a 5 hectares commercial area and an educational hub. Let's move forward going to subdivision. So ito po nakita po ninyo ay ang visitor center and neighborhood commercial area. And dito po yung sales office. Dito po kayo pupunta kung may mga concerns and for reservation of unit. So ngayon, pupuntahan po natin ang residences, which is ang mga single attached and single detached home. Single detached ay nakaalat lang po siya sa mga corner and single attached is for inner unit. So ito na po ang ating updated na construction sa ating site. So mabilis po ang ating construction. Marami na din po nakalipat dyan. Paunti-unti pong nagto-turnover na po sila. Dito po sa residences is meron po tayong swimming pool and meron po tayong park.